Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. So this video right here is going out to two channels, Brickstar and They Might Be Bricks, because you guys just did a sort of collaboration video on a 21-year-old Lego cookie tin. So I came down here into my mess of things and found my 11-year-old cookie tin. Now that's from 2008. It's very similar to your guys' cookie tin, only it's smaller. Here it is right here. Well, it's kind of big on the screen there, but it's much narrower and taller. Okay, so this one came with a little poly bag set of a speedboat or a doctor slash nurse and patient. So in order to get both sets, you had to buy at least two tins. Now, these were mystery tins because you didn't know what they were. The bag was inside, right? So along with the cookies. Now the cookies, well, the cookies were okay. They were the chocolate chip ones, but they were the mini ones, and I mean they were like the size of your thumb. Like they were the real small little round chocolate chip cookies. But we're talking about the tin here, and those cookies were not great, trust me. When I bought them back in 2008, they tasted like cardboard then, and imagine if you kept them this long, they would probably be either moldy or just not very good tasting. Something like what you just experienced there, guys. I know. But anyway, you know, 21-year-old tin, 11-year-old tin, still pretty cool to have. Almost the same design. I did watch your video, and I can't remember what was all on the tin, but it looks like it was pretty much the same thing. It's like a Lego City type tin, which is pretty cool. And I bought like, I don't know, half a dozen of them or something, because Toys R Us at the time had them on for like $4.95. So I mean, for the poly bag inside itself, it was, you know, it was worth it because that was the price of a poly bag, right? So now this one, I got something in here, and I'm gonna have one. It's a sucker, actually. That's where I keep my treats. I keep them hidden down here in the Lego room so other people can't get at them. So anyway, take care, guys. See you later. 11-year-old tin versus the 21-year-old tin. You guys decide. Cookies are bad either way in these things. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.